Yes.
Mama.
Yes. What's up, guys? Happy Palm Sunday. I literally just got back from church and your girl needs to tackle Riley's Easter basket. So I figured I would show you all of the goodies that I've been picking up over the past couple weeks and show you how I kind of put everything together. If this is your first time here, my name is Nia and I make cleaning, lifestyle, and motherhood videos. So if you enjoy that type of content, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notifications so you never miss out. And let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I decided to ditch the earrings, get a little bit more comfortable and casual, and hit the floor. So this is the basket that I actually picked up from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was the cutest thing ever, and definitely something that we could just use year after year. They had a ton of different colors, I think like pinks and blues, but I thought the purple was cute. And then I got this like paper from the Target dollar spot, and I decided to go with yellow because I just really love the whole pastel vibe that it's giving off. But these are the items that I picked up for her. I actually got this first 100-word sticker book. My sister picked up, I think, something very similar, because I don't think it was this exact one, for her for Christmas, and she is obsessed with it. What I really love about it is it has like stickers in the back, if you guys can see, and then it has like a page number up at the top, so it will be like page 40 to 41, and then like you see how it has like, you know, the different soccer balls and everything like that. So when you go to the page, it may look something like this, and then your child is supposed to put the little chick where the chick is, and then the little it says kid, so I guess like maybe a baby goat where that is. And then once they get maybe a little bit older, depending on how old your child is, they have the word, so match the chick up with the pig and all that stuff. So Riley has been obsessed with these, so I wanted to get her another one just for Easter, just to help with her development. So I'm really excited about that. And then I also got her this like coloring paint set. This was from the dollar store, and it comes with like 3 different like paint colors and the little brush, and then a couple of different pictures that she can paint. She's really into painting now, but she's so funny because she likes to paint, but then she doesn't like to get dirty. So this is something that I can send over to my mother-in-law's house to give her something to do during the day. Then I also stumbled upon this super great find. I haven't seen it at any other Dollar Tree besides the one I randomly went to, but how cute is this little apron? So when she's painting, we don't have to worry about her getting the paint all over her clothes. So I picked up 2 of these, one that she can keep here, and then one I'm going to send over to my mother-in-law's house. But this is so adorable. Also, another great find from the Dollar Tree are these pop out grab bags. So these are cute little bags that have like 4 pop out characters, 3 washable markers, and 25 stickers. Guys, if you are looking for little things for your kids, definitely go check out the Dollar Tree, because they have a whole bunch of these type of like bags that have a whole bunch of like little random things to keep your kids busy and active. So I ended up getting her Care Bears, which is always going to be a classic, and then Shimmer and Shine. So I thought that this would be really cute, and then she could then pop them out and play with them. Now this bad boy is something that I found from Home Goods, and my girlfriend from work has been raving about this Water Wow like on the go painting thing. So if you have a toddler who tends to like to draw on the walls like mine, I am very guilty with that, this like kind of like paint and go thing is, it comes with this what is this, I guess like coloring thing. You fill it up with water, and then your kid can paint or like draw on the paper, but it's only water, so you don't have to worry about it getting everywhere. So I'm really excited about it. They didn't have any like girlish ones, so I just got this one. So we will see how she likes it. Riley is obsessed with stickers, so I got her a couple of sticker books. So I got this one, Easter themed, and then I also got this cute little one that's like Happy Spring one. She literally likes to stick stickers everywhere. Next, I decided to pick up this puzzle. It's a Peppa Pig puzzle. And guys, I'm not even gonna lie, this was actually from her birthday party last year, because we did have kids who were of different ages. So this was like the medium range, and we had some extra, and why not, now that she's a little bit older and she really likes Peppa Pig, I thought this would be cute for her to play with. So I picked this up, And then this is also, again, from her birthday party last year, but these are Color Twist Bath Fizzies. And I got this from, I believe it was Target Dollar Spot. So basically it is a kid's version of a bath bomb. So I'm excited for bath night. Hopefully it falls on Easter Sunday so that we can have a little bit of fun with it. You're supposed to throw it in and then, you know, it becomes different colors and things like that. So I'm really excited to see how she reacts to that. I don't even know why I picked this up, but we're gonna see how she likes chocolate. So I got her a little chocolate bunny, but that's really about it. Y'all know she's very picky, so I'm not gonna waste my money like just buying her stuff that she's probably not going to eat, you know? Then I picked up this little like puffball things. It wasn't for anything specific, but at my mother-in-law's house, she likes to do a lot of crafts with her. So I figured this is something I can kind of send over. They have like a little craft box for her. And then I did find something on Pinterest on how to make like cute like Easter cards. So I'm going to kind of work on just putting all the necessary like items and creating that for her and then sending that over, and she can work on that throughout the week. And then when we go to church and she gets to see like, you know, some of the people there, she can kind of give out her own little Easter card. So I thought that was really, really cute. And then I also picked her up some bubbles. Anytime I buy this girl like any type of gift, I like to incorporate bubbles because she loves them. Now that she can kind of blow them out herself, she gets really, really excited. So it came with a pack of 4, but for some reason one of them was leaking. So I'm just going to stick with these 3 instead. And then the last things that I picked up were these like carrot Easter eggs. And then at the Target, well, not Target Dollar Spot, then at the Dollar Tree, I also found these little like stamps. So I really think that she would like that. I put on like one of those removable tattoos and she really liked that. So I think we could kind of do stamps and another little craft that we can kind of make of it. So I stuck those in there, and lately she's been liking to like make noise with this because she got it at one of the library classes that she goes to. So I thought that this was really something cute that we could add into her Easter basket. So this is what her Easter basket looks like. I think it is super, super cute, and I'm not even going to lie, I am surprised that I was able to get all of this stuff into it, but I am excited for next week and see how she reacts to it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below or right up above the screen, and then also make sure that you are caught up on all of my videos, so I have them linked over onto the side, and I will catch you guys next Sunday. Bye.